Have you ever seen a robot that can see, understand, and even recognize faces or objects just like humans do? That amazing ability comes from something called computer vision. Let's dive into it in a super simple way. What is computer vision? Let's start with a famous definition. Computer vision is a field of computer science that teaches machines how to see and understand the world like humans do. Imagine teaching a computer how to see a cat, read a book cover, or recognize your face. That's what computer vision is all about. It's like giving eyes and a brain to a machine so it can see pictures, videos, and the world, and also understand what it's looking at. But can computers really see? Good question. Computers don't have eyes like we do, but they can look at images and videos through cameras, just like your phone camera. However, when they look at a picture, they don't see a cute puppy or a smiling person. They just see numbers, thousands or millions of tiny dots called pixels. Each pixel has a color and a brightness level. The computer uses math and algorithms to study all these pixels and figure out, is this a dog, a ball, or a face? Computer vision equals eyes plus brain. Let's think of it this way. The camera is the eyes of the computer. The software or code is the brain. Together, they help the machine see and think about what it sees. A simple example. Imagine you show a picture of a teddy bear to a little child. After seeing it a few times, they can recognize a teddy bear anywhere, even if it's red, blue, big, or small. Computers learn in a similar way. If we show the computer thousands of teddy bear pictures, it can start recognizing teddy bears on its own. This is called training a computer model, kind of like sending the computer to school to learn about teddy bears. Where is computer vision used? You've probably seen computer vision in action without even knowing it. Here are some fun examples. Face unlock on your phone. Your phone sees your face. Self-driving cars. The car sees traffic signs, people, and other cars. YouTube or TikTok filters. They know where your eyes and mouth are. Google Lens. Take a picture of a flower and it tells you the name. Security cameras detect if someone is entering a room. Even robots in factories use computer vision to find and pick up objects. A famous quote, "The eyes are useless when the mind is blind." Unknown computer vision gives computers both eyes and a mind so they're no longer blind. They can see, understand, and even make decisions. How does it work? Here's a simple step-by-step of what happens. Image capture. A camera takes a photo. Image processing. The computer turns the picture into numbers. Feature detection. It looks for patterns like lines, colors, or shapes. Recognition. It says, aha, this is a dog, or that's a human face. Action. Based on what it sees, it can do something, like open your phone, stop a car, or send an alert. Why is it important? Computer vision is helping humans in healthcare, security, transportation, education, and even space exploration. Doctors use it to detect diseases from X-rays. Farmers use it to see which plants are sick. Scientists use it to study stars and galaxies from space images. It's like having superpowered eyes that never blink or get tired. Computer vision is helping machines see the world, just like we do, and sometimes even better. One day, you might build a robot that plays hide and seek, helps blind people see, or even explores Mars, all with the power of computer vision. So the next time your phone unlocks by looking at your face, just smile and remember, you've just used the magic of computer vision.